At the touch of a button, the fully convertible entertainer's drawer can be adjusted from -23 degrees to 7 degrees, with 5 predefined settings so that you can enjoy food at its finest. Use the drawer as extra freezer space or utilise the ultra chill setting, which at -2 degrees keeps meat and fish fresher without the need for freezing. Set the drawer at 0 degrees to keep cool drinks on hand, or store your antipasto and delicatessen cheeses. And at 7 degrees, you can serve chilled wine or champagne at the perfect temperature. Ask someone in store for more information.